Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's a wonderful video, is going to be about the top 5 little, like kind of gaming sponsorships you guys can get at such a low level where like you don't have to be such like a big brand name, or you don't have to be like a massive channel to get these types of sponsorships or like affiliates. All you really need is just to have a channel and to have at least like the smallest little bit of a following, and you guys can get like these little sponsorship things where you get your own discount code, or like you can get, if you really get up to it, you can get your own free products. And these ones are just ones that they all have Instagram pages, so you can all message them there. You guys can, get in contact super easily. You guys can just look them up. They are all big names, but they offer sponsorships for little people and the little channels, so that everybody has a chance to be sponsored and everything. I've got them all on right here on my phone, so let me pull those up. But I hope this video really helps you guys. And before we even get started, I'm just going to have you guys to leave a like if you want more videos like this, where I try to help people find out more things that they can do for their channel, as well as, Minecraft videos and other things like that. But yeah, definitely leave a like if you guys want to see more like this, because this will kind of give me a base knowledge of what you guys want to see more of. So our first one is a newer company that has recently started, I think in April, and it's the end of March, but no, the end of May, I mean. And they have gone from 0 to 10,000 followers in that little of a time, and they've got little things that they're starting on. They're starting their own, like gamer fuel type thing, like the G Fuel. They're starting their own little business like that, and it's called Juicity. This one though, here, let me turn on my brightness so you guys can really get a good look at it, is called laxitygaming. Okay, that's that. All of it will be on the screen right over here, guys. So you don't really have to look. But what they do, they sell high quality grips for your controllers, and that's what a lot of these companies are. So if you're just looking for something, you get on there, you get your own code, blah blah blah, you sell it out there. By the way, guys, you guys could always purchase some with I don't know, let's just say discount code FAILYT. You get 15% off at checkout, which is, woo, that's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty cool though. But if you guys order with that, you get something that looks really cool. Personally, I couldn't see myself ordering from them, but that's only because I have one with Forever Grips, which is also going to be showcased in this later. But they have a lot of really, really high quality grips. They're cheap. Not the cheapest, but they're cheap. But I've never actually seen them, so I'm not sure if they're a higher quality than some of the cheaper ones I've seen. You'll have to check for yourself. But I was easily sponsored by them just by asking them for a sponsorship, and it takes nothing at all. So that's definitely one to go check out, guys. Let's move on to our next one. Our next one is going to be Rogue Energy. And if you've been around with the channel for a while, you guys know I actually did have a sponsorship with them. I'm not sure if it's still going because I never really followed along with it too much. But what they sell is a gamer fuel type of drink, which is, in their bio, it says, world's most delicious gaming drink. 9 mind-blowing flavors. Sample now. You guys can get the sample. I actually did have somebody buy with my code before, one of my close friends at school. And they said they loved it. I tried a little bit of it. It was amazing. Like, imagine Kool-Aid, but on crack, guys. I felt amazing. I was very alert. I was able to focus on a lot of things. So, I definitely checked them out. Again, you can get sponsored them with just a small channel. So, definitely want to check out. Next one. These are ones, well, actually, no, this one, Forever Grips. They've been around a long time, and I mean a long time. And then their bio, it says that you can get affiliated with Forever Grips, but it's kind of the same thing. Cons of this one, I can't really find any. They have high quality grips. They actually sent some out to me. You guys should have watched that video. If not, go watch it. It's down there somewhere. Go look around for that. But I did a video with them where they sent me grips completely free, which was a super cool thing. They are legit sponsored. Like, they legitimately sponsored a video, which was amazing. And it was super cool to just kind of have those right there and be able to physically touch them, test them out. The only problem I had was that one of the grips came ripped, but I'm not 100% sure if it was from them or if it was from me grabbing them all out and I ripped it with my fingernail, or if I ripped it with the just anything I was opening it with. So that could have been on me, and I know that, but still super cool. I also have a code with them, FAILYT, the exact same thing. Go use that, you guys, if you ever order from Forever Grips. They have some of the cheapest, and I mean the cheapest grips. I think their plain black grips are like 80 cents, which is crazy, guys. You could get enough, think about it, 10 controllers, each of them, get them a pair of black grips. That's only $8. I think shipping is super cheap as well. I mean, it's a no-brainer, guys. They're the go-to, because some of these other people are selling one pair of grips for like $5. But I don't know. I really like Forever Grips. If you feel like you need some grips in your life, go use FAILYT. If you also feel like you need some, but maybe a little bit higher quality, I don't know. I haven't tested them out. Go check out laxitygaming. Okay, second to last right here, we're going with Control Freak. Now, this has been a massive brand, and this one has been out for so long, okay? They do the same type of thing, except they've kind of branched out. So they have RGB gaming lights. They've got, their own little grips that come up off the controller. They've got a bunch of crazy things, and they've partnered with serious games to do it. They've got, their own charging cables. They've got a ton of really, really cool stuff. Wipes, more charging cables, a cleaning kit. I don't know, guys. They've just got a bunch of cool stuff. They've got their own, little type of things. They partnered with all these big brands. If you want something that's name brand that people are going to just know right off the bat for the name, I would go to Control Freak right there. Everything seems pretty cheap, but I've never ordered from them. And these are the guys that I was talking about, the big name guys with a lot of kind of hype around the brand, so they can price it up. Their Modern Warfare grips, $17.99, and that's not even including shipping, guys. But they do look kind of sick, though. I'm not gonna lie. Here, look, if you guys can see it real well. They look kind of sick. But that's just me, guys. I'm not really a massive, I don't know, I don't need them. But if you guys do need them, or if you feel like maybe your fingers are kind of slipping off the things and you're not getting that right kind of flick, go buy from a brand like this and get something to help you kind of have more grip, because it's like a rubber latex kind of feel. I'm not sure if those are the actual ingredients, so don't quote me on that. But it has that type of feel, so your thumb, it grasps that a lot harder. And so if you're trying to go, for that 360, you guys are trying to get it, you just kind of flick, and it's there. It's raised up a little bit, so you don't have to worry about your thumb not even hitting the stick. Even if it slightly taps it, it's still going to jolt over to the side, and you're going to get it, which is super cool. And this one, guys, is probably going to be our last but not least. I don't know if this is... I don't know, okay? This one I've heard about, and I'm actually thinking of applying for, but I'm not too sure if I should. The one it's called Good Game Bracelets, okay, GG Bracelets. What they do, they sell a lot of bracelets. They just recently came out with their own merchandise, which it honestly looks fire. I'm not even gonna lie. They have phone cases where it's just a straight banner all the way across the phone case that just says GG. They have beanies, backpacks, and the backpacks are Champion brand, so that's pretty cool. They've just got a lot of cool stuff, as well as their bracelets. I don't know if the bracelets are hey, they've got their own cool stuff with it going. I don't know. But I think they're really cool. They've even got socks. They've got socks. GG socks. You know how much of a flex that is? You're sitting there. You just absolutely massacred a kid in Call of Duty. You're sitting there getting that Warzone dub. And everybody's saying GG while you're just sitting there stroking your socks because it's got GG right there. Just GG socks, guys. You already, got the dub. You're the best. But they do have bracelets. And some of their crazier looking ones that I've seen are these glow-in-the-dark bracelets. And like I said, I don't know if they do anything other than just kind of look cool. They're just kind of an accessory. But I definitely think that they're worth checking out. If you guys, I don't know. I should definitely check them out. and kind of see, so you guys can kind of get a better understanding. But I've checked these out enough to the point where I didn't, like, respond to it. I didn't have to go and get one. I did a little bit of research on each one. And truthfully, the best looking one out of all of them is probably Forever Grips. And this isn't biased at all. This is purely because they are the most responsive company I've gotten. Like, when I'm talking to them, they respond within the exact same day. And if not, they'll even, like, tell you, like, hey, we are super busy. And you can understand that they have, I think, 40-something thousand followers. No, I'm sorry, 54.8 thousand followers. So you can kind of expect that with, like, such a large brand. And then you've got Laxity. They're pretty responsive as well. And they do look cool. But if you're looking for something that's cheap, something that's reliable, and something that's, just gonna respond to you at all time, like a brand that you can actually really, like, talk to, communicate with, and kind of get a better understanding of it, Forever Grips. Hands down, that would be my choice. But that's up to you guys. If you guys did like this video, please show that by leaving a like, also leaving a comment if you liked the video, if you want to see more of these videos, if you don't want to see more of these videos, if this video absolutely sucked and was no help at all, leave it all down in the comment section, guys. I really love reading them, even if they are like, oh, this video totally sucked. Boo! You are doo-doo head. I don't care. I'll still respond to you. I respond to almost every comment that pops up on the YouTube Studio app because no matter, even if somebody's mean, I still like to respond back and be like, hey, listen, I get you didn't like the video. Thanks for taking the time to leave a comment or something like that, because they didn't have to. They didn't have to leave the comment. They chose to because they felt like they needed to, which I'm totally fine with. It's whatever. But guys, definitely drilling it into your heads. Leave a like, comment, and if you're feeling up to it, maybe subscribe because you guys liked the video. It was very original. I mean, I definitely haven't seen this done like a couple thousand times by other YouTubers. I don't care. I'm just jumping on the bandwagon, guys, because I am trying to get videos out to you guys as fast as possible. But that's going to wrap it up, guys. So, third time's a charm. Leave a like, leave a comment, click the subscribe button, and the little bell right beside it. Now, by doing this, you have just completely entitled yourself to get out of virginity free card. Okay, by subscribing to my channel, you will lose your virginity because you are an alpha male. And that's just that. I can't change that. I can't control that. It's just what happens. So, thank you guys and have a wonderful day.